Hi there, welcome to the second tutorial in my beginner scripting series. So this one is going to be, we're going to start scripting in this one. So today we're going to be doing printing. Printing can be used for tons of things, such as debugging, being one of the main ones. I'm pretty sure it's only used for debugging. And if you don't know what debugging is, it's like, so if you have a problem in your game but you don't know what it is, you can debug it to find the problem. And yeah, that's what debugging is. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding a script into the workspace. Just click this little plus right next to the workspace and click on script, and then here we have a script. Now we already have a print function here. Also, I'm sorry if the colors are different and the font in general. I have a different, like a completely different thing, like colors for my Roblox Studio. You can change the colors, but yeah. So here we have print hello world. Now what will this actually do? If I open up the output here, let me clear my plugin errors. So if we run the game, inside the output it printed hello world. Now you might start seeing why this would be very helpful. So like, let's say your script was erroring at a certain area but you didn't know like what it was. Well, what you can do is you can throw a few prints in there saying like, hey, the print line got this, or the script got this far, and it'll help you debug the script, which is quite helpful here. So yeah, but you can, okay, so you just type in print and then these little brackets will show up. This means it's okay, so this is just a built-in Roblox function. There are other built-in Roblox functions like wait, warn, error, and there's a ton of other ones that I don't remember right off the top of my head. But yeah, there's all those. But print is the most standard one. It'll come in every script that you make. So even if I make a new script, it'll just, print hello world will be in it by default. So we type in the print function to tell Roblox, hey, we're going to be printing today. So inside of these brackets, whatever is inside of these brackets is what will print into the output. So let's say cookies, right? Let's run the game. Oh no, it printed nil. But why is it nil? Also, for those of you who don't know, nil means non-existent. Basically, it means it doesn't exist. So why is whatever's in here nil? Because, and also it's erroring right here. Unknown global cookies. So there are multiple types of a value in Roblox. So there's string, there's bool, which is true or false, and then there's one more, but I can't remember it. I think it's, yeah, there's a ton of different values, but those are the main ones. So instead of here, we're gonna put print. We're gonna put a string cookies. So this tells the game like, hey, we're gonna be printing text. A string is just text, so we're gonna be printing text. So once we run the game, it will print out text. Look, cookies was printed into the output. So, but yeah, it prints cookies. Now, I might as well show you a few other functions, because print is really straightforward and such and that. But yeah, print, you can use it for a ton of things, and you can print and then you put a value inside of here. I don't know if you guys know what a value is yet, but I'll go over values in a different tutorial. But today we're going to be focusing just mainly on the print function by itself. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So now the other functions, I'm going to teach you guys wait. So wait is pretty straightforward. I hope you know what it is. But wait, it waits for whatever number is in here, and that's the other value, a number value, or an integer. Integer is a better way to say it. So we could put wait 5.5 and then print hello. So it'll wait 5 seconds after we start playing the game, and then it'll print hello. So look, it didn't print yet, and then hello. there it goes. And then you can set the time, or you can set the wait time, so like instead of 5.5 we're going to do 3, and it'll wait 3 seconds instead, and it appeared faster there. So that's the print function there for you, and the wait function. But what are other functions? Well, there's more than just print. There's warn. Now warn it's kind of helpful for debugging. You can use it sometimes, but it's rather used when you want to make your own custom like modules and you want to warn the player if something's wrong, like if a value is non-existent. But whatever you put in here is what it will warn. Again, we're going to put a string value and say this is a warn. This is a warn. So it'll warn us in 3 seconds that this is a warn. This is a warn. And as you see, it comes up in orange text. If you're using the white theme, it will come up in yellow text, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Either way, it's a warn. So, and then of course you can warn values and such. It's the exact same as print, except it prints in a different color that tells you it's a warn. Now we can use error. Now error, it will error in the output. Lol, this is an error. Wait 3 seconds and then it'll print lol, this is an error. Lol, this is an error. And then of course with every single error that you put, it will always tell you all of this. So it'll tell you what line the error is at. So here's the error line and such. And boom, lol, this is an error. It was printed right here. But it tells you right before it prints lol, this is an error, what script it is in and what line it is. So this is workspace script, which is right here, and then line 2, and it's right here. And you can always see your lines right here. But yeah, that's the very, very basic functions of Roblox Studio. And you will use this a lot, a ton. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all. If you could subscribe, that would be great, bro. I'm gonna do more tutorials in the future. So yeah, goodbye, you turds.